Hi friends, today I am going to make Cashew Modak. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. To make Cashew Modak, add cashew nuts. Grind it. Now cashew powder is ready. Place the strainer on the bowl. Pour the cashew powder into the strainer. Tap the side of the strainer until all the fine cashew powder falls in the bowl. This is how fine it should be. In a pan, add sugar. Add water. Stir for a while. Let it boil. Boil the sugar syrup on a medium temperature. Add the cashew powder. Mix well. Add ghee. Now the cashew dough is ready. Now grease the modak mold with ghee. Fill the modak mold with the cashew dough. Let it cool. Take out the modaks. Wow, lovely modak. Now cover the modak with the silver leaf. Now do the same with the rest of the modaks. Eat and enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and food. Thank you.